If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
AMP could hit $0.069 in 2022. AMP's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem AMP at $0.0066 in 2022. AMP's past all-time commonly high was on 16 June 2021, where AMP was evaluated at 12 cents. AMP's cost simultaneously last week was $0.0084. It has moved by 2,344% in the previous week and truly is right now at $0.0082, which generally is very critical. In fact, in the especially beyond 24 hours, AMP truly has unloaded by 195% in an unpretentious manner. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, be that as it may, stays bullish, and AMP could hit $0.1 in 2023. The especially all-out circling supply of AMP as of compassing this video was $76.066 429,145,602, and the market cap of AMP stays at $629,785 396. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically no pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model naturally will show a very certain cost expectation. It especially is basically impossible for our AI bot to translate white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness. The coin's value that you generally are going to really see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon truly many variables, so kindly contribute carefully subsequent to really taking a look at the group and project's white paper in an unpretentious manner. This ongoing cost expectation basically is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a speculation counsel. Albeit the best specialists are at present tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human explicitly has confirmed the cost especially anticipated underneath, so quite utilize your prudence and go with a choice shrewdly. Our AMP cost expectation model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the essentially rough worth of AMP before very long to come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% exact, however we endeavor to explicitly present to you the most reliable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model amazingly. The information focuses remember AMPs for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information in an unpretentious manner. AMP's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. AMP's social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. AMP's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information, which by and large is very huge. AMP's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. AMP's cost developments in light of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and sort of something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. AMP price prediction. AMP has had an exciting 2021, which is genuinely critical. To work on irrefutably the most recent AMP cost expectation, we especially have split the forecast by commonly momentary AMP cost forecast and long-haul AMP cost forecast in a significant manner. As of compassing this video, AMP had an exchanging volume of $7,804,604. AMP has gone somewhere near 9,575% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily. AMP cost expectation for October 2022 really shows the typical cost of AMP at $0.054, and particularly the most noteworthy conceivable cost for October 2022 would sort of be $0.058. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, AMP cost expectation for February 2023 shows the in every way that really matters, normal cost of AMP at $0.093 and the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $0.099 in an exceptionally large manner. AMP cost expectation 18 August 2022. AMP's cost for 18 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $0.018 to $0.021 and the typical cost of AMP ought to be around 2 cents, which is genuinely critical. AMP cost expectation 23 August 2022. AMP's cost for 23 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $0.025 to $0.029 and the typical cost of AMP ought to generally be around $0.027. AMP cost expectation 2 September 2022. AMP's cost for 2 September 2022 as per our examination ought to run between 4 cents to $0.046 and the in every practical sense, normal cost of AMP ought to sort of be around $0.043. AMP cost expectation October 2022. AMP's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $0.051 to $0.058 and the in every practical sense, normal cost of AMP ought to be around $0.054. AMP cost expectation November 2022. AMP's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $0.052 to 6 cents and the typical cost of AMP ought to be around $0.056. AMP cost expectation December 2022. AMP's cost for December 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $0.054 to $0.062 and the genuinely normal cost of AMP ought to be around $0.058. AMP's long-term price prediction. AMP's especially long-haul price prediction beneath in a real sense is a gander at AMP's future possibility with respect to cost. AMP was most recently seen at $0.0082 with a market cap of $629,785,396 and exchanging volumes of $7,804,604, which basically is very critical. AMP's value forecast is conceivable by breaking down verifiable cost activity, current turns of events and social opinion from the local area. AMP cost expectation 2022. AMP's cost for 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $0.046 to $0.069 and the really normal cost of AMP ought to sort of be around $0.058 or so they thought. AMP cost expectation 2020